So COVID is not the concern this holiday season as it was last year or the year before. Doctors' current worry is that people who are already sick with the crud that's floating around could catch a second virus over the holidays and end up in worse shape. Here's our Jaleesa Irizarry with that.
Complicated doesn't even scratch the surface. While families gather this holiday season, a group with unusual circumstances will be here.
I want to emphasize that these are very rare infections, that there are not very many of them, but they are definitely an increase of what we've seen in the past.
Dr. Sam Dominguez is talking about invasive cases of group A strep, a bacteria virus often easily treated, but in some cases children have seen lately could bring dangerous complications.
Kids presenting with very severe pneumonia, sepsis, and this is when the bacteria gets into the bloodstream, toxic shock, bone, joint, and muscle infections. Several kids with severe sinus disease, and then necrotizing fasciitis, which is a very severe type of skin infection.
And I think we have lots of questions trying to understand what might be driving these increases.
2 children have already died from severe strep infections in Colorado. State health leaders are trying to find ways to prevent more. They say oftentimes the way to do that is preventing everything else.
While group A strep is a bacterial infection, children with a respiratory virus like RSV, SARS-CoV-2, or influenza may be at higher risk of getting a secondary infection like group A strep, either at the same time or shortly following these respiratory infections.
Group A strep doesn't just impact children. Cases in adults increased by 62% in Colorado this year. And even though there is no vaccine for it, getting an updated COVID booster or your flu shot can be effective. For Next, I'm Jaleesa Irizarry.
So you see RSV and flu and COVID numbers all trending down. Great news. What we see in a week or two after holiday gatherings will certainly be worth watching.